Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey
Bro,
has issued a severe
that took
thunderstorm warning
forever.
for northwestern Ocean County, northwestern Camden County, Mercer County, northern Burlington County, central Monmouth County, southern Middlesex County, southeastern Montgomery
Bro, that
County
took
in
so
southeastern
long.
Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m.
Bro, that took
At
forever.
8:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a
That
line
took
extending
so
from
long.
Adeland to
Oh my
Germantown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail.
Bro, that took forever.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines
Oh
is
my
possible.
gosh.
Locations impacted include Cornwalls Heights, Eddington, Withenham, Holmville, Merchantville, Florence,
Hold up.
Abington, Lumberton, Strathmore, Pennington, Jamesburg, Water Park.
I don't hear it.
This includes the following highways: New Jersey
Mount Holly, it took
between
forever.
5 and 9. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 340 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 21 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile
Hold up.
markers 338 and 345. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 20.
There we go.
Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 76. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1.
Dang, that took forever.
Interstate 676 in New Jersey near mile marker 4.
Bro, I've been waiting for
Parkway
hours
between
and
mile
hours,
markers
and now they
119
finally
and
issued it.
121. For your protection, move to an
Jeez.
interior room on the lowest floor.
It just caught off.
Here is the forecast.
Bro.
The New York